Hello everyone, this is Devamitra from Pension Computer Solutions Global Private Limited. Hope you guys are doing well. So guys, in my previous sessions, I've talked about so many things. I've tried to provide you the best knowledge about life, about career, how you can write down one professional resume, what are the things you need to do in an HR interview, how you can prove yourself in an organization. So I've tried to provide you the best knowledge as per my knowledge. So in my today's session, I'm going to talk about something that is very interesting as well as informative also. In my previous sessions also, I have tried to provide you the best knowledge about ChatGPT. So right now, I'm going to talk about ChatGPT one more time. So guys, let's get started. So what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT has taken the world by storm and has managed to become a fastest growing application in the world in shockingly short amount of time. With all the talk about its potential impact, it's natural to wonder how do you use ChatGPT. So at first you need to understand that how you can use ChatGPT. So you need two things to use ChatGPT: an open AI account and a web browser. As ChatGPT doesn't currently offer a dedicated app. So you need to visit chat.openai.com and sign up for an account using your email address or a Google or Microsoft account. Once you're logged in, you can finally use AI chatbot. So using ChatGPT is simple enough. The real question is what can you use it for? So this guide or this guidance will help you to cover everything you need to know, make the most of one of the most exciting technologies of the century. So including how it works, how to use it and what you can use it for. So guys, let's get started. So first thing you need to understand what is ChatGPT. I have already discussed it in my previous session. I am trying to discuss it one more time. So ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI based on the GPT generative pre-trained transformer architecture. It is designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. So as a conversational AI chatbot, ChatGPT can help you to do a variety of tasks such as drafting messages, creating content, answering questions, and even engaging in casual conversation also. Its advanced natural language processing capabilities enable it to produce contextually relevant and the coherent responses, making it a powerful tool to enhancing digital communication and automating various text-based tasks. So, can I use ChatGPT for free? The short answer is yes. OpenAI has made ChatGPT free to use. However, the free trial has some limitations, so including limited capability during peak times. ChatGPT will likely not be free forever, but it is free for now. It provides OpenAI with valuable user feedback and promotes the wider use of the AI language model in different industries. So, what is ChatGPT Plus? In addition to the free tier, OpenAI introduced a subscription plan called ChatGPT Plus that costs rupees 20 per month and offers additional benefits such as faster response time, priority access to new features, improvements, and increased API usage limits. The plan is designed to enhance your experience with ChatGPT and ensure you get the best possible result from your interactions with the chatbot. So, what about the different versions? So, there are different versions like GPT-3 versus GPT 3.5 versus GPT-4. What does it all mean? GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It's a type of artificial intelligence language model developed by OpenAI. The term generative refers to the model's ability to generate text based on the input it receives. So while pre-trained signifies that the language model has been trained on a large data set before being fine-tuned using human feedback and reinforcement learning. So finally, transformer is the underlying architecture using in GPT, which is a neutral or neural network design introduced in 2017 that has become the foundation for many state of the art natural language processing models. So GPT is basically just the language model that ChatGPT AI bot uses to understand context and generate coherent human-like text. The new numbers that come after GPT-like, that is GPT 3.5 or GPT-4, simply refer to the model version number, with GPT-4 being the latest model of ChatGPT. While GPT-3 demonstrated impressive results in AI language processing, GPT 3.5 pushed the boundaries even further and that incorporated improvement in both processing and output quality. However, GPT-4 goes even further and is much more concise than 3.5, so much so that it was able to pass the law bar exam with ease. Now that we have covered the all nitty-gritty, we'll go over the exact steps to follow to start using ChatGPT in the next section. So guys, how to use ChatGPT in 6 simple ways I'm going to discuss about in my next session. So guys, this is one. Now if you want to know about more about ChatGPT, how it works, you can visit PCS Global's office. You can start communicating with our HR persons, and in PCS Global we are providing the end-to-end training in data science, in Python, in machine learning, in Java, Salesforce as well. So if you are a candidate who has that capability to work in those technologies, if you wanted to learn those technologies, end-to-end technologies, because we are providing the full stack training also, you can communicate with us. Our employee internship or initiation, whatever you wanted to say, learning process is already going on. So you can join our EILP process also. PCS Global is located in Bengaluru. PCS Global is located in Bhubaneswar. PCS Global is in Kolkata as well. So if you are a candidate who has that capability and who has that aspiration to work in IT, but you don't know from where to start, we are always there to help you. You just need to communicate with us to know more about the technologies, and you can start your career through PCS Global. So this is for now, guys. Bye for now. And if you find my videos are helpful, kindly subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and do comment below.